find the real value of s. S times x plus s is equal to 30. So we want to find the value of s from this equation. S multiplied by s plus s is equal to 30. Solution. We have s multiplied by s plus s. If this 30 come to this side, it become minus 30 is equal to 0. S multiplied by s multiplied by x is s raised to power 3 plus s minus 30 is equal to 0. Then this is s raised to power 3 plus s minus 30 can be written as minus 27 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then this is s raised to power 3 plus s minus 27 can be written as minus 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then this is s raised to power 3. Let's compare minus 3 raised to power 3 plus this s minus this 3 is equal to 0. Take note of this exponential rule that if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus ab, where a is equal to s and b is equal to 3. Then this is s minus 3 bracket s square plus 3 square plus 3x, then plus this s minus 3 is equal to 0. Then from here, s minus 3 is common, and s minus 3 is common. Let's bring it out. S minus 3 bracket s square plus 3 square is 9 plus 3s, this divided by this is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. This is s minus 3 bracket s square plus this 3s plus 9 plus 1, that is 10, equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 3 is equal to 0, therefore s is equal to 3. This is the first value of x. And the second case is s square plus 3s plus 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And this is giving us s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 10. Then s is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 10 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 10, that is 40 over 2. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 40. This is minus 31 over 2. Then S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 1 times 31 over 2. But take note of this, that square root of minus 1 is equal to I. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31I over 2. So S is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 31I over 2, or S is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 31I over 2. But this is a complex solution, because the question says we should find the real value of x. We can also confirm this using discriminant, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac, where b is 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10. Then this is equal to 9 minus 40. This is equal to minus 31, which is less than 0. So this is rejected. The only real solution we have now is S is equal to 3. And this is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. Check. We have S multiplied by S multiplied by S plus S is equal to 30, where S is equal to 3. This is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 must be equal to 30. So this is 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27, plus 3 must be equal to 30. Let's see, 27 plus 3 is 30, which is equal to 30, which satisfies the given equation at S is equal to 3.